Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Angelina Sukra and my student ID is 22019040. Now, I will explain about the back and central vowel in basic phonetic and phonology. So, what is the back vowel? The back vowel are pronounced with the back of your tongue being the highest point in your mouth. They can sometimes sound deeper or darker than other vowels. High back vowel. The sounds u and sounds u is part of the high back vowel. For both sounds, the lips are rounded, with u more rounded than u. The muscle are tense for u and lax for u. Mid-back vowel. The vowels O as in low is produced by putting back of the tongue in back position and lower than that for U. The vowel O is as in low is made by lowering the tongue below the O sound. Both vowels are accompanied by the protrusion of the lips, with U more rounded than U. Low back vowel. The sounds R as in for is produced by having the tongue at the back of the mouth in low position, lower than that for O. Example, oo sound, food, mood, boot, brood, sue, blue, true, and oo sound is food, food, good, book, shoot, wolf, food. You can hear that oo sound is more long and darker than oo sound. Not darker is deeper, like food, mood, boot, or food, good, book. Also, it's like O and O sound. It's O, open, oat, okay, road, road, and O, go, low, call, also. It's like O open, then O is open is more long than O. Both sound is more short sound. And the last is R sound, arm, art, part, surgeon, fireball. What is central vowel? A class of vowel sounds produced with the tongue positioned halfway between the extremes of high and low, in front of back in the mouth. That includes sounds like the schwa, found in the English word sofa, and the sound in the. It's often referred to as neutral vowel because of its central position in the vowel space and its prevalence across language. Schwa is the most common vowel in sound in the International Phonetic Alphabet (IPA), and it's represented by the symbol "e". Schwa is characterized by its neutral articulation, meaning that it's produced with the tongue in a relaxed central position in the mouth, neither high nor low, front nor back. This makes it acoustically and perceptually similar to other vowels, giving it a versatile and ambiguous quality. In terms of articulation, the tongue is typically mid and lax, with the mouth in a relatively neutral position. It's often described as a lazy vowel because of its unstressed and reduced nature in many languages. For example, in English, schwa frequently appears in unstressed syllables such as the first syllable of sofa or the second syllable of banana. Example, a sound, a long, ago, a captain, fontaine, mountain, parliament, delane, dungeon. And in summary, the mid-central vowel, or schwa, is versatile and ubiquitous sound found in many languages. Its neutral articulation, variability, and role is in unstressed syllable made it a fascinating subject of study in linguistics, contributing to our understanding of phonetic phonology and speech production. And this is the picture of back and central vowel, also the front, but this is not my material, so the back and central, like boot, boot, boat, boat, bought, like that. And thank you.